Alright, so we have this iPhone, got it because it got no image. Alright, so what do we have here? I have a few things here. As you can see, I have my DC power supply. You guys will see it here, so that way you guys can see that it's turning on. First, let's look for the iPhone 16 Pro Max battery connector, and let's see if it does turn on. And we can see here that this device is turning on. 200, 260, I mean 160, 200, and then right there is turning on. Right there I should see an Apple logo, but I'm not seeing anything on here. Alright, so let's disconnect everything from here, and then let's get this phone. I already took a few things out, all the plastics that are the cover that is here, this plastic that is here. This is not his original screen, this is a test screen that we use for faster, better known way to do it. And right here, the test point that you wanna measure with your multimeter, this line is normally, you will see it ground like right now, or you will see it if you use invert wave like this. It will get you a reading of a wrong reading according to the a good working board. So right there, I did that measurement. I see that this line is short to ground. Shouldn't be not short to ground. It should be OL or 2 point something. All right. So what I'm going to do, that this line goes here. This is the line that I'm seeing. It goes from here to these capacitors, and then to my driver, LCD driver or image driver, or to the driver of image. Now on my board, I already did a cut right here with the laser machine, so that way I don't have to remove the shield. So let me remove this thing out of the way. Sometimes I mean I can go normally on with the laser machine. I can go a few more times, but I don't want to risk it, because I don't want to damage something else. Right there, I will put you a little piece of video right there, so that way you guys can see where my laser machine cut. Perfect. I have my image integrated circuit. I will put a little bit of rosin right there. And waiting. Right there is the integrated circuit that is bad. There it is, out of the way. Don't do it too hard, because you may damage. Alright, so let me get a donor piece. So let's align this chip, line this reference point right there, right in place. And then now let's go with a little bit of air. All right, let's bring our multimeter and let's find out if that thing right here is giving us 700 right here. So I don't think it's just that the chip was bad. Something else is bad. All right, I would put tension right there on the first line, and then you guys take a look. See the first capacitor? That one, that's it. We got it. So what am I gonna do? So first capacitor was bad, the chip was bad, so I'm just gonna break it. Come on, get out of my face. And let's connect a charging port so that way we can turn this device on. And we wait. Bam, bam. That's it. Yeah, this one has a line. This is our test screen. Alrighty. Well, this is how we fix an iPhone 15 Pro Max that had a image problem, no display, was making sound, was getting calls, was actually doing everything except image. I mean, you can hear it was charging, but no image. Alrighty. Well, this phone is being ready to go. What are we gonna do, Martin? What are we going to do with that capacitor? We're gonna replace it, we're gonna clean it, and then we're gonna put this device back together. But that's it for all. That's it. If you guys have any problems such as this one, iPhone 16 Pro Max or Pro, no image, or any iPhone problems, data recovery, let us know. We will be more than happy to help you. Thank you, and we see you on the next one. Let's go.